Welcome back to my sketchbook series. This is the 13th video and today we are diving into something extra special, a metallic mandala. So I'll be playing against some shimmering shades that really pop against the page, creating a design that feels both elegant and eye-catching. If you enjoy relaxing art videos like this and want to see more mandalas come to life, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next sketchbook creation. So let's get started. So first we are going to draw a 20-degree grid. Our grid is now ready. So today we are going to draw our mandala first in fine liners and afterwards we are going to color it using metallic acrylic paints. First we will draw a 1 centimeter circle. Next we will add a 1.5 centimeter circle. Now we are going to draw semicircles which will be in between these two circles, and one semicircle will be in between three grid lines, and this will be using fine liner. Okay, so we have a flower shape like this. I'll give you a close-up. Next we will add teardrop shapes in this space, starting from the center going all the way to these semicircles. But make sure that no two teardrop shapes should touch each other. So for that what you will do is draw a little bit away from the grid line. So our patterns are going to be very simple and very open today. We are not going to add too many details as we are going to fill it with color later. Next we will add a 3 centimeter circle, and in this space we are going to add pyramids. Now inside this pyramid we are going to give it a leaf like design. So first we will add a straight line in the center and then add more random lines like this which give it the look of a leaf. Next we will draw semicircles on top of two of the leaves using fine liners. So you will place your point here at the cross section in between two leaves, and the pen will be on top of any one leaf, okay, and then you will draw the semicircle. Like this. Next you will take 2.5 centimeter on the rounder and draw marks only on these grid lines which are in between two of these pyramids. Okay, only at those points you will draw marks. You don't have to draw an entire circle. Now next what we will do is we will place our pens back in rounder, and the point where you place these marks we will place our rounder there, and our pen will be on top of the pyramids again, and we are going to draw more semicircles so that we have a crescent moon shape like this. Okay. Now inside this space we will add just a simple teardrop shape. Add a fat one like this. Next we will add one more long teardrop shape in between these two crescent moon shapes, starting from the leaf going all the way towards the last circle. Now around this central petal we are going to add two spirals. So the mandala here is complete. Now what we will do is we are going to erase the grid and then we will start coloring. Make sure you have erased it nicely. Each and every line and circle should be gone. The metallic colors that I am using for my mandala are these Fevicryl Sparkling Pearl Golden Green, then again Fevicryl Sparkling Pearl Golden Yellow, then Deep Rose by Camel, and Fevicryl again Pearl Blue. So these are the four colors that I will be using. You can use any metallic shades or colors combination that you like. I am using 000 size paintbrush for the central smaller petals. As you go to bigger patterns, you can take bigger size of brush. For the other remaining sections of the leaf, I am taking silver color, or it is also labeled as pearl white. Here is a close-up. You can see how it shines at a certain angle. So these metallic paints are very thick in the bottle itself. So if you want, you can dilute them little bit in a palette and then color. Now you might be wondering whether the shine of these colors will go away if you add water. So here is the look of it. You can see the shine does not go away if you add water. You can add it freely. So the coloring part of our mandala is complete. Now the mandala actually here is not complete. When all of the colors have dried, you are going to do the outlines again, because many times while coloring our paint goes over the lines, right, and they do not show up clearly. So you will wait for all the colors to dry, and then you will do all of the outlines again, and then your mandala will be complete. So here is a close-up of our mandala. You can see how it is shining nicely at a certain angle. So thank you everyone for watching till the end. I hope you enjoyed a very different mandala today, and please complete yours and share. I'll be happy to see your creations. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel to support, and turn on notifications for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.